Oh yeah, got it. I'm trying a new area here. Just gotta find a nice secure place to park my bike, which is kind of on the exposed side down a hill, but should be okay. Just gonna see what's here. It's like a dam? I don't know. Oh, I can see people have been down here. Nice graffiti. It's an actual trail, so it's definitely something here. What the heck? Oh, this is pretty sweet. I can see where people have been stepping and walking. Oh yeah, there's some nice formations down there. I don't know, is this bridge even safe? Oh yeah, there's some nice deep waters there. Is there any way to get down there? On that side? I'm gonna try that side. Here I am amongst a bunch of ants that want to eat me. And I'm gonna give this a try. If not, I'm gonna move to another part of the area here. Hopefully where ants don't want to completely demolish me. I'm gonna start with some spinners. Yeah, give that a shot. I have my super cheap spin cast reel, but it's a telescoping reel or telescoping reel, which makes it very compact, and I can put it in my backpack and just take it anywhere pretty inconspicuously. Oh, got a bite. Got a bite there. Let's come over here, give things a go. Let's do this. Okay, so they're not liking that one, so we're gonna go back, try something different. So now we're going with the smaller, super micro small spinner bait. Oh, got a bite. Oh yeah, well, it's something. It's about the smallest one I think I've ever caught, especially on a little treble hook. Look at that little guy on this treble hook. Holy smokes. There we go. That is one small fish. Followed it all the way in, and then just at the very end I just slowed it down, and then it took it. I'm not feeling it here, so let's move. Gosh. Oh, that's steep. Let's see what's over here. Yeah, see, there's some nice deeper water there. If I get down there, it's a little muddy, but might be good. Let's give it a shot. Oh gosh. If I go down this way, I'll have this tendency to roll on that ankle. Oh gosh. Oh, very loose. There we go. Yeah, this is a perfect area. Let's give it a shot. Got it. Got it. Got it. Whatever it is. It's a big chub. Nice. Oh, that's a pretty good size one there. Woo! That is a good size one. Anyway, nice and small, but awesome. That's a pretty good size one. Just caught it on its lip, as you can see there, just bleeding a bit. So we're gonna let it go. Oh, yeah, got another one. Not huge, not huge. Oh, shoot. Oh, not huge. There you are. You let yourself go. There we go. So I just caught it on the upper lip again. Let's wash you off. There you go. Safe and sound. That's crazy. Turns out it did pay off to switch places, so that was good. Caught a couple fish here, bigger ones, but I'm just gonna go to my old spot and see if I can catch some rock bass. Oh yeah, some good bites there already. Okay, see how this goes. Oh yeah, got it. Oh, it's definitely a rock bass, I think. Oh, it's chub. No, it's a rock bass. Whew. Here we go. You know how many oh, that just caught it on its lip, barely. You know how many times I cast this thing out? Oh my gosh, finally. It's pretty awesome. Okay, let's grab this guy and take out the hook. Oh, no, 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 no. Stop squirming. Oh, jeepers. Stop squirming, stop squirming. Sorry, dude. Sorry, dude. Yeah, it's a nice rock bass, eh? Pretty good size one, eh? Beauty. All right, let's let you go. Thanks for coming out and sliming me up. There you go. That took a while. That took a long while to get that one. But I got it on that bigger spinner and just on the lip there. That was pretty lucky. Well, I missed this on video, but on this orange little grub. Small little rock bass. Pretty cool, eh? Little guys are pretty awesome. Good little fighters, good little biters. Oh shoot, speaking of biters, I'm stuck on. Alrighty. Happy travels.